experiment to demonstrate that air expands on heating and compresses on cooling. I have taken a vessel of hot water and a vessel of cold water, and I have taken a bottle, empty bottle, on the top of which I have put this balloon. I will take this bottle and put it in hot water. You can see the balloon expands. This is because the air inside the balloon expands on heating, which makes the balloon to expand. Now I will take this bottle and put it in cold water. You can see the balloon shrinks. This is because the air inside the balloon compresses on cooling, which makes the balloon to shrink. So in this experiment, you can see that air expands on heating and compresses on cooling.